I've been a busy boy. Engine's all in. I got some chrome goodies I put on. I got the exhaust on. I'll grab the camera. I'll give you a quick looky-see. I forgot to film a little bit there. I got kind of involved in, putting shiny stuff on is exciting. But I'm still waiting for the chrome front brake drums that were supposed to be here the other day. About, since the last segment that I filmed has been about a week or two has gone by. But I'm moving along. I'm getting stuff done. And I'll show you what I've done, and we're going to keep moving on, as I always say. All right, so we got the radiator kind of squared away here, and I got my idler and the upper and lower pulleys all set up. I got a fan belt going. Obviously, the exhaust manifolds, some spark plugs, gaskets, exhaust pipes are in. Got the plate on top of the tranny for the moon stick to get set up. I'm still working on the brake lines, and I can't get that squared away until I get all the moon stick stuff on. That's going to be one of the little things I want to do today is get that taken apart and sandblasted. And I got to get these front brake shoes and everything on. All right, gang, I just got home from work. I wasn't really planning on doing anything out here today, but the brake drums came. Yay! So I'm dying to see what this stuff looks like. They didn't pack them so great. It doesn't look like it. I hope they didn't ruin the chrome. That's one. Here's the other guy. All right. Oh, these things are heavy, boy. I tell you what. It's early Christmas. Oh yeah, look at that, huh? It's a jewel. That's the beautiful thing right there. Ah, if I can get the hub to stop spinning on me. Ah, that's pretty, boy, I tell you. All right, well, I guess, I can get them wheels on the car now, get this thing back down on the ground, so I guess that's going to be the next thing I do. Well, that's a lot of work done right there, guys. Got the wheels back on. It's been a long time, and they're filthy, and I'm not going to clean them until I get the body painted and whatnot, because it's still going to be rolling around in here. I got brake lines run, some chrome on. I'll have to pull the camera off that stand and show you what I got done. We got lots of chrome, exhaust system and stuff. I think I showed you that already. Yeah, the road draft tube here. I must have made the exhaust before I had that on, because I had to rebend it and get it out of the way. Not like it's going to run, but something you had to do. Got the fuel pump on. That's a freaking jewel. All that nice chrome and stuff. Oh, I love it. And we got brake lines. The brake lines, the way Ed ran them, were inside the frame like that. I don't know if that was factory or not, but I did it the same way he did. Brakes are all on, the new chrome drums, and the moon stick apparatus there. And so I got all the lines run. I still got to get some P-clamps to hold some of the stuff in place. I did end up re-drilling a hole back here for the brake line, so it has a little bit more slack on it. It was kind of tight off on that original hole there. And the brake line just runs up like that there. She runs inside the frame. I'll come over here so you can see it. Just runs inside there, but it's still, even though the car is not going to run and drive, I got an OCD about putting a couple P-clamps here and there just to hold things where they got to be. That's looking pretty sharp. Alright gang, it's been a while since I filmed the last scene, and it's been a while since I posted the video, and I gotta be honest, man, I've been with family stuff going on, my dad's cancer and everything. I've been pretty depressed and out of it for the last 6 to 9 months. I haven't gone to heroin or slipped myself inside of a bottle or anything, or even seek therapy, to be honest with you. But I just figured I'd take it easy, read my books, hang out in Beatnik coffee shops and stuff for a while, and I'm kind of a little bit out of the black hole right now, out of the maelstrom, as they say. So, whew, here it is. It's actually April Fool's Day. Go figure, right? But 2023, April Fool's Day. So what I got is, this thing has been sitting on the side over here, the chassis, for a very long time, and I let my job slip to the wayside and everything. I'm going to concentrate on getting this car done. It's been 8 years. I really kind of lost interest in it, but blew the dust off, because in a body shop atmosphere, these things get destroyed. I'm going to stick it in my car trailer. I don't even own a show car anymore, so I'm going to store it there for a while we get the fiberglass body. Let me whip this bad boy around. Fiberglass body there, man. I really grinding fiberglass, Not what I want to do, really not. But it's got to get done, and it's that time of year. It's kind of cool. It's 30s, 40s. I can deal with wearing this all suited up, sweat thing with the gauntlet gloves taped to me so I don't get that fiberglass itching powder all over me. It's come to that point. I got to do it, And I got to grind the fiberglass down and get it to Bodywork. That's where we are right now. So that's what we're going to do. So these videos are going to be a little sporadic, because I'm not going to film myself doing all the body work on this. It's going to take me a couple of days, maybe 2 weeks, to get that body ground down nice, because inside that hot tub looking kind of cockpit and doing the body work in there, it's going to take forever. So I'm going to end up with like a 30-minute video. It's going to take me maybe 3 months to get that much edited material. So I have to apologize for that. But even if you guys watch Project Binky, toward the end, they start slacking off on how much they can pump out so you guys can watch it. It's the nature of the beast. So I just wanted to wrap up this episode here. I'm going to get that, move this back. I'm going to show you my fancy trailer there. There you go. I'm going to get that chassis into that trailer for storage. So it's out of the way, it doesn't get destroyed, because this whole thing is going to look like the winter scene from Dr. Zhivago in here when I start doing all the body work on that and sanding dust and crap everywhere. So I'm cleaning out the shop, moving stuff around, getting rid of things so I don't destroy everything in here. And that's pretty much it, man. Next episode will be me doing body work. Go figure, right? So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. And all you Patreon guys that have stuck with me during my deep, dark, black despair, I appreciate you guys. You're the best. I'll try and make up a couple of somethings for maybe a giveaway to my Patreon guys, because I appreciate you guys like you have no idea. I really do. So that's it. Spritzbyfritz.com, patreon.com/spritzbyfritz.com, Spritz by Fritz, and you can become a Patreon member there, see the videos before everybody else, this, that, and the other thing. If you guys can grab a t-shirt or a coffee mug or some stickers or a license plate top or something off my website, that would be great, because that helps me pay for this stuff. That front end, man, I got almost $10,000 worth of chrome on that front end, and I'm not done buying chrome yet. This stuff is not cheap. Like I said, I put myself out of work specifically to get this car done and over with. And let's just say it was a mutual understanding at the last job. I'm not into corporate body shops, man. I'm into mom and pop places that don't treat you like an economic slave, you know? So that's it. I'll catch you guys next episode. Thanks for watching. I'll see you then.